first will crack a finger.
A से शुरू करते हैं आई आ गया.
Oh yes.
Wow, I'm a little blank.
इनका पूरा. I love this story.
In voice.
हिंका करके ये तो क्या है?
बताओ madam. Oh no. Don't put your eyes into me.
हो गया मैं जीत गया ना.
जोकर है अंदर छुपा हुआ कहीं न कहीं.
Game पलट चुका है guys. Yo brainies, welcome to Alpha Beta Gamma. Today all answers start with the letter I.
I like to move it.
Intel.
It's magic. I like it.
I can't.
I am sorry, Babu.
I hate you.
Rules बहुत ही simple हैं. Round 1 Alpha, you have to earn points. Round 2 Beta, you have to bet those points. ठीक है? Today we are playing this quiz with Yohit, Ipu, and Yasira.
Yasira.
मेरे साथ ही ऐसा होता है.
Spanish लग रही है एकदम Yasira.
Without any further ado, let's get into this interesting quiz. Alpha round. Question 1, here we go. She was ranked among the world's most powerful women and became the first woman of color to lead PepsiCo. Who is she?
Done.
Answers?
Indira Nooyi.
Indra Nooyi.
Indra Nooyi. Indra Nooyi it is.
Also published by the same publishers.
Yes. My Life in Full, I think, by Harshit.
So yes, that was Indra Nooyi.
Next.
Now next question. In Greek mythology, this boy met a fiery fall because he flew too close to the sun. Who
Done.
was he?
Done. 3, 2,
The boy
1,
who flew too
done,
close to
done.
the sun. You know this? You don't? Okay.
Icarus. जो वैक्स से पंख लगा के पंख बना के उड़ गया था, पर वो इतना पास उड़ के सूरज की वैक्स पिघल के बंदा नीचे गिर गया.
Yes.
Wow.
This is Icarus.
Icarus. I love this story. मैं बचपन की कहानी है ये.
Wow, I'm a little blank. I don't know Greek mythology like at all. But nice,
Wow.
interesting.
Question number 3. This traditional shelter, meaning house, is built by the Inuits. Inuits are an indigenous people living in the Arctic regions. Answers.
Igloo.
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 Wow.
Beautiful, no?
Wow. I just love the spelling of igloo.
है ना? So cute.
It is so jaglu.
हाँ.
Question number 4. What is the name of this 2015 Tamil film where a hunchback seeks revenge?
I don't know. मैंने कुछ तो लिख दिया है.
Answers?
मैंने तो लिखा I.
मैंने भी आई बस.
कि I. It is I who will take the revenge. It is I.
Yeah.
It This is I.
Audience question. हम कौन से कैमरा पे शूट कर रहे हैं? बताओ.
Next question. Question number 5. This word originally refers to a pause in theatre performances for practical reasons like candle lighting and reel changes, now more commonly seen in movies. What is this word? Answer?
Intermission.
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 अगर इंटरवल हुआ तो
हाँ यार नहीं ऐसा मत करना इंटरवल नहीं हो सकता.
This is intermission.
Intermission.
तू इंटरवल में देती है ऐसे? नहीं देती ना?
नहीं.
Question number 6. In 1917, Mahatma Gandhi's first satyagraha was launched against the unfair farming of which cash crop? Answers.
Indigo.
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 Always late flight.
Indigo. Indigo somewhere here? No, it's India. Sorry.
It's India. Which has
Chop,
come from Indigo?
Oh yeah.
Yes, which has come from Indigo, and Indigo means India's crow, like
Yes.
from India.
So Indigo Satyagraha was all about going against the Trinkathiya system, जो कि चंपारण बिहार में होता था. And farmers, they were exploited by the European forces that because they were forced to plant indigo उनके lands पे and they received very less compensation for that and faced very harsh fines as well for not planting it. So Indigo Satyagraha, as it came to be known, was the first civil disobedience movement that was started by Mahatma Gandhi, and it was characterized by non-violence and mass peaceful protest.
Wow.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I love it.
Question number 7, here we come. This English test is used by the UK, Canada, Australia and others for study
Done.
and migration.
Done.
Which test is it?
IELTS.
IELTS.
IELTS. Okay. This is IELTS.
Hey.
इसी पे ऑडियंस क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ IELTS? कमेंट डाउन बिलो.
अरे हमसे इजी पूछा है, बेचारे से इतना टफ के पूछ रहा है.
क्या होता है?
क्योंकि वो गूगल कर सकते हैं.
इंटरनेशनल. ये तो दिया था मैंने. वो बोलती कि टेल मी अबाउट योर फेवरेट एनिमल. ले, और 1 मिनट देते थिंकिंग को.
हाँ.
तो मैंने 1 मिनट तक थिंका पूरा, और फिर मैं तो भाई मेरे को उस मोमेंट पे मेरा फेवरेट एनिमल क्या मुझे ये नहीं पता. तो फिर मैंने रैंडमली जिराफ बोल दिया. अब जिराफ के बारे में जो पता बोल दिया मैंने कि हाँ जिराफ हैज स्पॉट्स, बस इतना सा बोला.
वाओ, व्हाट द व्हाट? उसने बोला नहीं आपसे व्हाट?
Spots like I have on my face, so I think giraffe is my favorite. मतलब why would you say you like giraffe because it has spots?
नहीं, I just like, मैंने रैंडमली बोल दिया कि oh it's unique giraffe has like round tongue. उसकी rope like tongue होती है round instead of like flat tongue like ours, ताकि वो पत्तों पे ऐसे लपेट के तोड़ सके, खा सके. तो ये
फैक्ट बताया तो उसने व्हाट द व्हाट बोल दिया.
बस मुझे ये एक फैक्ट पता था इसलिए मैं जिराफ बोल दिया, क्योंकि किसी और एनिमल का कोई फैक्ट नहीं पता.
चलो that is nice. Sorry I roasted you on the.
हां, और उसके बाद फिर मुझे 30 सेकंड में डन हो गया. मैं 1 मिनट तक सोचा, 30 सेकंड तक बोला. वो बोलती ओ गो ऑन यू हैव 2 मिनट 30 सेकंड्स मोर. 30 सेकंड स्पीक अप.
Question number 8. Which type of triangle has 2 equal sides?
Wow.
Answers?
Isosceles. स्पेलिंग देखो उसकी.
Spelling.
CELES है.
अच्छा.
और कम से कम Z तो नहीं आता.
Z कहाँ है मेरे में?
Z.
Z. ओ C है ये.
Guys ये Z नहीं लग रहा आपको.
कर्सिव C.
कह रही है.
ओ मेरा फॉन्ट अलग नहीं हो सकता तुम्हारे फॉन्ट से.
हाँ, सब इंटर नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हैं. The answer is isosceles triangle. दोनों ही गलत है, बट मैं अब क्या.
अब दोनों ही गलत है तो ठीक है, दे देते
अब दोनों ही सही हो जाएंगे फिर तो.
कर यार मोहित, कुछ तो गलत कर.
निपु नजर मत लगा प्लीज. Don't put your eyes into me.
Question number 9. First coined in the early 20th century by Alfred Binet, this test measures reasoning and problem-solving ability.
Done.
What is this numerical
3,
score called?
2, 1.
हो गया.
दो
Answer?
letters
IQ.
है ना, IQ.
The answer is intelligence quotient IQ.
हाँ, मोहित यार कितना तेज वो करता है.
अगर आपको भी अपना IQ increase करना है तो subscribe and watch our content.
Buy our book.
Yes. Now last question of this round. Question number 10. This Bollywood legend turned down an important role in Christopher Nolan's Interstellar to focus on films like D-Day and X.
X क्या मूवी का नाम है?
It is a movie, but I cannot reveal, otherwise it will be a
ओ
giveaway.
अच्छा ओ.
Yeah, so think like that.
Legend.
An acting
Interstellar.
role. Interstellar में role offer हुआ था.
Wow. D-Day. चला 3, 2, 1.
हाँ.
इमरान हाशमी लिखती हूँ तो वो भी ई से होता है.
हाँ, वो तो easy.
इरफान खान. मतलब मैंने इरफान खान लिखा, I don't know.
Oh, maybe I think so.
X क्या है?
I don't know actually.
The answer is Irfan Khan.
10 out of 10. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Really good. Really
Century.
good.
स्पेलिंग सही लिखी है.
सही लिखी है, बिल्कुल सही लिखी है. So Irfan Khan was offered a role by Christopher Nolan for the film Interstellar, but he had to turn it down for Lunchbox and D-Day, a
Lunchbox.
decision which he later described as one of the most difficult decisions he had to take. And that role went eventually to Matt Damon.
Matt Damon
I
वाला
was
रोल.
imagining, yeah, I was imagining that role only कि वो एक side.
मैं वो प्रोफेसर का रोल समझ रहा था.
Alpha round is over. The scores are: Nipu has scored 80 points, and Momo here has scored 100 points.
Wow.
Century मार दी भाई.
हो गया ना, जीत गया ना, हो गया.
और यार आपके लिए भी है मेरे पास. What is Canada's winter national sport?
Yeah.
Comment down below.
This is
I
much
say.
easier. हाँ, I know.
Yay!
This is a much easier question than IELTS का full form. Yeah,
हाँ.
We have reached the beta round. आपके पास अब आएंगी 6 categories which will have 6 questions behind them. But one of them is a joker, which means जिसका आंसर आपको seemingly लगेगा कि आई से शुरू होता है, but वो नहीं होता है. So to win that question, you will have to call out a joker, and if you are able to give me the correct answer, तो आपको मिल जाएंगे double points of whatever you have bet.
Okay.
Awesome.
Awesome. Your 6 categories are ink pen. It's a struggle. Icy, immature, inebriated, ingenious.
Inebriated.
Wow.
Okay. मोनू चलो आप ही पूछना.
Yes.
Oh.
आज नहीं बोल पाएंगे.
आप बोले.
Less points, less to lose.
Less points. I have less points and less to lose.
I have more points, so more to win.
Oh, yay.
Perspective.
दोनों साइड से
Game.
Yes.
ना.
Always be positive.
A से शुरू करते करते आई आ गया. अब जाके बोलने का मौका मिला.
देख तू मुझे क्यों तोड़ रहा है?
नहीं.
Okay, I'll go with Nipun. I mean immature.
Oh, immature.
देख क्या कर रहा है?
ये उल्टा कर रहा है.
अच्छा उल्टा कर
Mature.
चलो. Immature.
हाँ.
For Momo, here we go. From the early days of warfare on up to the Middle Ages and beyond, war was a socially stratified activity just like anything else. In the days of antiquity, if a country did not have a standing professional army and used mostly those who were too young, too inexperienced, or too poor to have a horse, usually ended up in a type of combat unit specially named for them, the X. Derived from a Latin word meaning unable to speak, or perhaps more colloquially, not able to have an opinion, the plight of these foot soldiers was such that their own cavalry referred to them as babies.
What?
Sorry, what?
What the what?
Yeah, the
Okay.
what?
Okay. This is something new. Okay. Let's crack it. First we'll crack our fingers.
Wow. Wow.
I से start होता है.
Uh-huh.
Derived from a Latin word meaning unable to speak. Unable to speak. Able to speak like mute. Or perhaps more colloquially, not able to have an opinion. Oh, don't have an opinion. Unopinionated जैसा. The plight of these foot soldiers was such that their own cavalry referred to them as babies. तुम्हें बचाना है X क्या चीज है ना? इस
Yeah.
यूनिट को क्या बोलते हैं? Not able to have an opinion. अच्छा ऐसा नहीं है कि don't have an opinion. Not able to have an opinion. कि वो लायक ही नहीं है. कि वो कर ही नहीं सकता. ओपिनियन हो ही नहीं सकता उसका. The plight of these.
Oh. अभी क्रैक हुआ.
हो गया.
हाँ, nice. मस्त हो, beauts.
मैं ये बोल रहा था इसी से हुआ है कुछ तो.
Maybe I'm fooling around.
Not able to have an opinion. Usually ended up in a type of combat. Combat में लड़ाई होती है ना. Combat unit specifically named for them. जिसका घोड़ा भी नहीं होगा, कुछ भी नहीं होगा, पैरों पे चलेगा वो. Invoice. Okay, invoice तो नहीं हो सकता.
I was imagining some soldier called invoice.
Babies क्यों बोलेंगे इनको? Like babies, you are little foot soldier. I'll call it a joker. I don't know.
Okay. So what if it is a joker and?
Oh, then I'll win the points.
Yeah. So
I
what
just-
is
I don't know. Investor.
investor? Okay. You, madam, have a guess.
Madam.
Yeah, infantry. कितना अच्छा फ्रेम्ड है नहीं? That is what she said कि babies.
Wow.
She
Oh
said-
wow, babies infants.
Exactly. जो तो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है बार-बार babies क्यों है? क्योंकि
The answer is infantry.
wow.
Infantry and infant, both words stem from the Latin term infants, meaning unable to speak,
Wow.
or newborn. Originally, the term infantry described inexperienced or young foot soldiers who were considered low-ranking compared to the cavalry.
अरे वाह.
But अब तो
Wow.
of course बहुत अलग meaning हो गया.
Wow, infantry, of course.
Not
Incest.
Investor. Invoice. ये तो क्या थिंका करके ये तो क्या लाया?
थिंका जो गलत किया ना,
थिंका करके
जो
बोलता
स्पीका है ना आपने उसके बाद थिंका के
बोलती थिंका के बाद जो स्पीका है
30
Yes.
minus 30.
बेटा तू तुझे थोड़ा चढ़ गया है, तू आफ्टर अल्फा में 100 और 100 आ गया।
Oh.
लगा इंक पेन में।
Ink pen?
Oh.
अभी रिस्क नहीं लेना, मैं लूंगी बाद में।
Ink pen for Nippu. This writer from South Asia was dragged into court for obscenity after publishing a short story about shadows, quills, and forbidden desires. As a young college student, she joined the Progressive Writers Association, whose members included Munshi Premchand and Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Her writing style was deeply influenced by eminent Western writers such as Anton Chekhov, Leo Tolstoy, and George Bernard Shaw. X went on to become one of Urdu's most fearless voices in 1942, capturing the horrors of partition. She is a key figure in Urdu feminism.
Why did I do this? Why?
What are you
आई से
thinking?
कोई भी ऑथर सोच रहा हूँ आई से
So I
Exactly, na?
need some I say author
I say
who is
female author.
female Urdu. There must be some authors उस time पे ऐसे सरोजनी नायडू, रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर types, somebody like क्रांतिकारी. I say EIVIC. मैं अपने इलाही मेरा GII में हूँ.
सेम इलाही आ रहा है मेरे को भी
Ibn Battuta is another one उसका भी मैं but of course.
मिला मुझे तभी
Oh
नहीं।
my god, okay. Oh my god, I might pronounce it incorrectly. But Ishmat Chugtai. Something like this. I don't know. I might have pronounced it very incorrectly, but
It is Ismat Chugtai.
where in my brain?
वही है पीछे
I
ना?
did not even know she's a woman. Like, मतलब it's just a name I've heard.
Ismat Chugtai was an Urdu writer. She was part of the Progressive Writers Association, which was a movement that had come together when partition was happening, and they were writing and constantly they were writing and trying to capture what was going on in the country.
Oh, wow.
And Manto, another one of her contemporaries,
Writer hai.
and also a great writer, once famously said that if Chugtai had been a man, she would have been him, and if he had been a woman, he would have been her, highlighting their shared spirit and approach to writing.
Wow.
TIL.
TIL, भाई साहब.
Wow.
What a great question. What a great personality. What a great answer.
I put 40.
Whoa! 40 to Nippu. Very well played. Very well
Okay.
played.
I need to
Great
like.
crack, Nippu.
कहाँ से यार?
I need to up my game now. Okay.
Yes.
चलो भाई invoice.
I have bet my points, and I think I want to go. Like ingenious looks like a
Person.
name,
Yeah.
so I'll stay a little away from it. Icy looks like a place.
You're good at this.
I like places.
I like places.
Inebriated.
Inebriated.
Yeah.
Inebriated for Momo. This country is home to the most UNESCO World Heritage sites and produces the most wine in the world. Having been credited with the invention of eyeglasses, which were first created in the late 13th century, they literally changed the world, the way we see the world. In the 14th century, they also gave the world modern banking, as they introduced innovative banking practices such as double entry bookkeeping and even developed the concept of bills of exchange, which allowed merchants to transfer money across Europe more efficiently. The name of this country derives from the Latin word vitellus, meaning a young calf. Starts with I.
वो सब छोड़ो.
Thank you for saying starts with I. मुझे लग रहा था जोकर है कहीं.
Oh, but the point is I na.
Oh. यार मैं बस confused हूँ कि जोकर तो नहीं है. That is my
Okay.
only confusion क्योंकि the only country in Europe that starts with I that I can think of is Italy. ठीक है, Italy, Vitellus, maybe it goes. लेकिन ये नहीं पता कि डबल एंट्री बुक कीपिंग इटली से आया था. और कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बिल्स ऑफ एक्सचेंज इटली में हुआ था.
हाँ,
मेरे बचपन में तो मेरे लिए दो चीज होती थी, एक इंडिया होता था, इंडिया के बाहर सब कुछ अमेरिका,
विदेश.
विदेश, विलायत, विटलस.
हाँ.
वाइन
खाइए.
मुझे लगता है इटली से ही आती है. आई थिंक इटली इज फेमस फॉर विनयार्ड्स
Okay.
ठीक है, लास्ट में जो विटलस है वो भी साउंड्स लाइक वियर्ड इटलस, इटली. बीच का मैं कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ, बट मुझे लग रहा है जोकर है. आई थिंक इट्स इटली.
जोकर नहीं है. आपको क्या लगता
डोंट प्ले गेम्स विद मी मसीरा.
है? आई ग्लासेस कहाँ से आए बताओ?
फर्स्ट हिंट आई
आई ग्लासेस, एक सेकंड. हाँ, आई ग्लासेस मुझे लगता था उन्होंने दिया अपने या तो गैलीलियो गैलीली,
या फ्रैंकलिन
नहीं, या विंची.
कहीं तो ये क्वेश्चन डाला है, कंट्री विद मोस्ट यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट्स इज इटली.
ओह,
Yeah.
पहले मुझे लगा इंडिया आ रहा है ये.
नहीं
सामा मुझे लगा इंडिया की तरफ जा रहे हैं हम. चल,
चलो खैर.
गिव मी माय पॉइंट्स.
इंडिया की तरफ गए थे लास्ट वाले आई में.
I remember.
I don't
The answer is Italy.
Wow.
The earliest versions of eyeglasses were made by Italian glassmakers in Venice, who crafted lenses to help people with poor vision.
Wow.
Over time, eyeglasses evolved with the introduction of corrective lenses and more comfortable designs, transforming from a luxury item into a staple of daily life for people around the
आए
world.
बड़े बोलते हैं डाविंची ने बनाया.
पर वेनिस के लोगों ने बनाया.
हाँ.
दा विंची मतलब होता है ऑफ वेनिस. मैंने लेनार्डे नहीं बोला, मैंने बोला विंची ने बनाया होगा.
सेफ चल कितने बन जाए थे.
40.
अपने लगाओ, अभी तक जोकर अंदर ही है. ओह माय गॉड, अगर लास्ट 2 की जोकर हुआ तो.
So it's a struggle, icy and ingenious. It's a struggle. Sounds I will go for it's a struggle. Sounds like थोड़ा सा struggle होगा, मतलब मजा आएगा.
चलो.
I want to, before we go, give quick shout out to Avanti ji. We were in Bombay, we hosted a cute meetup जिसमें लोगों को बस आना था, but she got us gifts. She got us more gifts, but this was very cute. My God!
And thank you for this, Neha. Thank you so much.
Neha also got us gifts. Thank you to everyone who came there. I'll just put a small photo. It was such a nice day. You all were so sweet. Thank you. Thank you for your time on a random Sunday on such a short notice.
पिछली मीटअप पे 2 people came and 50% of those people is part of now APH team. Just saying.
उसकी भी फोटो लगा.
है ना? तो हमें लगा नहीं था इस बार 2 से ज्यादा कोई आएगा. 15 लोग showed up. 15 people. Oh my god, thank you.
And so sweet.
And this was so important क्योंकि गूगल ने बोला था एक बार और करके देखो पक्का लोग आएंगे, और इस बार नहीं आते ना तो हम कभी नहीं करते. So basically you made possible all the future meetups.
Thank you.
Chalo guys, it's a struggle for Nipu. X is an Arabic expression meaning shaking off. The first X began in 1987 as a spontaneous popular uprising marked by mass demonstrations, general strikes and boycotts. The rebellion started declining in 1991 and was considered over by 1993 with the signing of the Oslo Peace Accords pointing toward eventual Palestinian autonomous rule. What is this resistance movement called?
हाँ.
It's the name of a movement.
It's a movement.
Meaning shaking off. In 1991 and was considered over.
Movement का नाम is X. और first X began मतलब there had been multiple such movements.
It's a struggle.
It's a struggle.
It's a struggle.
Yes.
Some movement name from I, maybe not I. Some resistance we will do. हाँ इनकलाब भी तो बोल रही थी
इनकलाब ही तो आ रहा है मेरे को बार-बार.
But it's Arabic.
हाँ.
In the same vein, but no.
But like नहीं bro इनकलाब ही आ रहा है सच में दिमाग
इनकलाब. Close, very close, but it's okay. TIL guys.
Yes.
TIL. This resistance movement is called Intifada.
फाड़ू आंसर. एकदम.
I put 45.
Yeah, champ. That's good.
अब तो दोनों को
अब जोकर है अंदर छुपा हुआ कहीं ना कहीं.
So अब दोनों को आंसर देना है.
हाँ और
Without revealing.
हाँ तो दोनों एक एक बार खेल लेंगे. We'll take the answers, फिर रिवील किया जाएगा आंसर किसका सही है किसका बुरा. I have to put in, है ना?
Yes.
I have put my points.
You are taking?
I am taking ingenious.
Oh, bold.
Okay, then I am with IC.
Yes.
Ingenious for Momo. Here we go. Obsessed with deciphering hidden codes in the Bible, he spent years studying alchemy, convinced that metals could be transmuted into gold. He even served as the master of the mint, cracking down on counterfeiters with ruthless precision. The word genius had traditionally been associated with artists and poets, but after excess work became widely known, the word took on a broader meaning in the modern sense of the word, someone truly gifted in science. A physicist, mathematician, theologian, and secret alchemist who was this extraordinary mind that reshaped science and bent the rules of the universe, laying foundations that later helped explain planetary orbits and even black holes.
Isaac Newton. I know that he was a secret alchemist. And उसके अलावा बाकी सब उसको फिट हो रहा है. I'll go for Isaac Newton. Okay.
So now you will not tell the answer.
हाँ नहीं.
इधर देखो guys.
हाँ.
आ जाओ guys.
Okay, so
I see.
think he's right. So now I have a joker. चल भाई, I see you.
I see for Nipu. This massive North Atlantic island is dominated by glaciers, fjords, and icy mountains. Settled by an exiled Viking, the island experiences the midnight sun. The island is home to sparse populations, volcanic activity, and Arctic strategic importance. Politically, it is a self-governing territory under Denmark, and it even shares a tiny border with Canada via Hans Island. Tourists are drawn to its dramatic landscapes, geothermal springs, and auroras, making it seem greener than it appears.
Okay, so Midnight Sun is Norway. Icy looks Iceland.
कमिट कर दिया उसने.
Greener than it appears is.
आगे क्या बोल रहे हैं? नहीं, we have taken it.
Greener than it appears is. You are right with your Isaac Newton, right? I know he was an alchemist.
अगर मैं ही गलत हुआ तो?
हाँ, exactly. देखिए मुझे तो अपना आइसलैंड ज्यादा फिट होता हुआ दिख रहा है. पर ये तो ग्रीनलैंड भी हो सकता है. Okay. Settled by an exiled Viking. Okay. This Viking guy, I know. I have written this story in some newsletter, I think. That this Viking guy came to this land, but he called it Iceland. वो I'm so confused. Iceland और Greenland. वो आया और उसने बोला कि this like he did not want more people to come in, so he labeled this. He was सबको बुद्ध बना रहा था वो बंदा. Yeah. But where? One second. North Atlantic Island. Okay, some North Atlantic इधर है कहीं ऊपर तो ऊपर कहीं है. दोनों ऊपर कहीं है. Island is home to sparse population, volcanic activity, Arctic strategic importance. Politically, it is self-governing territory under Denmark. Denmark. Okay. This is Greenland. Yeah. Tiny border with Canada. Canada थोड़ा हाँ इधर वाली जगह होगा ना. इधर making it seem greener than it appears. So you are tricking me कि icy से और greener कि Iceland है, but this is Greenland. I conclude. Okay. Oh, I'm confused. Greenland. Yeah.
Okay. Mama. आइसलैंड भी वाइकिंग्स ने ही डिस्कवर किया था.
Don't make
What?
me like don't do Amitabh Bachchan Giri idhar. Don't do
अमिताभ बच्चन गिरी इधर.
मैंने बहुत थिंका है.
जिसे मुझे पता था हाँ कि ट्रम्प गया है डेनमार्क टू डू अ डील विद डेनमार्क की ग्रीनलैंड में बी अ पार्ट ऑफ यूएसए ऐसा कुछ.
The answer is Greenland. Good job, Nipu.
Oh God.
Greenland and Iceland were settled by Vikings.
Okay.
तो पहले वो आइसलैंड आए एंड उस टाइम पे ऐसा होता था कि जो चीज पहले दिख गई लैंड पे उसके उससे नाम रख दिया. तो उन्हें आइस दिखी क्योंकि वो विंटर्स के टाइम आए थे.
Okay.
फिर वहां से एक लाइक इट्स अ स्टोरी ऑफ कोर्स.
Yeah. There's one exiled one.
हाँ,
Yes,
तो फिर उसको भगाया वहां से.
Yes,
उसको ग्रीनलैंड मिल गया.
Correct.
And what did he do? He wanted to trick people into coming to Greenland.
अच्छा to come
तो
into okay. I was
it's
just
very
confused.
icy and पूरा स्नो से भरा हुआ है. बट उसने क्या नाम रखा ग्रीनलैंड ताकि लोगों के दिमाग में आए कि ओ ग्रीन है वहाँ पे बेसिकली. तो और लोग हैं बट ऐसा नहीं था.
वाओ.
What made this मतलब इस क्वेश्चन में यूनिफाई टू ग्रीनलैंड इज द कनाडा पार्ट. गॉट इट. ये मुझे आता है. मुझे उल्टी पुल्टी स्टोरी आती है पर वाइकिंग एक्साइल्ड आगे वो अकेला आ गया था.
अकेला भगाया गया था.
अकेला भगाया गया था तो वो चाहता था और लोग
हैं.
And this used to be
Wow.
बचपन का joke ना कि ग्रीनलैंड में आइस है और आइसलैंड is greener.
Yeah, Iceland is greener than
more ice.
actually Greenland.
Wow. Okay.
So, ingenious Momo,
Yes.
your
Isaac
answer
Newton.
is Isaac Newton.
Yeah. There was a thing. हमारे जो शुरू के ग्रिल्स थे ना, शायद फर्स्ट 3 या 4 एपिसोड में, हर एपिसोड में आइजैक न्यूटन वाज वन ऑफ द आंसर्स.
Oh.
तो कभी इस एंगल से, कभी उस एंगल से, कभी उस एंगल से.
अच्छा,
तो हाँ, एक बार
nice.
एल्केमी वाला एंगल आया था, तो वहां से मुझे याद है
Click.
ओनली एल्केमी. हाँ,
Nice,
अफगानिस्तानी.
nice. So cool.
Wow. Okay, so both of us are right.
Yes,
But हमने
points.
कितने पॉइंट लगाए वो नहीं पता.
And निपू ने तो डबल भी किया था. You hold it. आता है दिखा. Whatever she staked, she has doubled them because she called out a joker and also gave the correct answer.
I forgot that. Guys, H और I में दोनों लगातार में जोकर को पकड़ा है.
I had put 90 points.
90. And you?
I went all in.
My God. Wow.
200.
Yes, आया बड़ा इतना मैं पूरा सौ लेके
पूरा गेम पलट चुका है guys. पलट चुका है.
गया. इसमें चुपता है.
कैसे हो गया ये? मैं इतना आगे था.
She resisted.
Yes, I could not answer that answer, but yeah, Greenland. Thank you APH newsletter. आप बहुत पुरानी बात है आपको लिखते हुए, लेकिन कभी Greenland Iceland thing you done there.
But क्या सवाल थे यार मसीरा?
I think
My favorite one is
my Irfan Khan
हाँ.
trivia I love.
मुझे इन्फेंट्री वाला समझ गया कि यार इसको इन्फेंट्री क्यों बोलते हैं. ओ यार
Even Greenland was written बहुत tricky.
बहुत ट्रिकी से कि इट मेक्स इट अपीयर ग्रीन. आपको तो लगता है ग्रीन तो आइसलैंड है. हां, पोएट्री.
Wow.
Right. So the scores are Momo has scored 200 points.
Yee.
Double century. And Nipu has scored 225. Started with 80, ended up winning.
क्या हुआ?
Winning. Hold on a second.
अभी मैं
अभी जा रहे हैं.
1/3 of the game is left.
1/3 of the
Please.
So true.
Certificate.
Oh.
ओ नहीं आई.
Let me show you how it's done.
टफ हो गया क्या? 4 लेटर में टफ हो गया बताओ.
Learn grasshopper, learn. Give me 9 across.
steamed South Indian rice cake.
Pizza.
Pizza.
8 across.
Spicy fermented cabbage from Korea.
तो वसाबी होती है.
Hello. Give me 4 across.
The way we define ourselves or a group.
Oh.
क्या?
Never.
मैं बहुत मूड में हूँ मोहित को एकदम हराने के. 9 down.
A mishmash of rice and lentils cooked.
Easy है एकदम. बच्चों वाला.
Oh my god, my 50 is at stake.
You're a waste, Nipu. Waste.
मुंह तो बंद कर लो अंकल.
Shut up, just shut up.
This video is exclusively available for members, and if you like to watch such content, please consider buying our membership. The
Yes.
details which you can see right here.
Yeah, Brainier and Brainius members, this is for you. That's it. आप खरीद लो ना. आ जाओ.
हाँ, आ जाओ.
Brainier तो बन ही जाओ.
बन ही जाओ. एंड गामा राउंड में हम लोग खेलेंगे क्रॉसवर्ड पजल, जिसका मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ वो कैसा दिखता है. इट्स कॉल्ड इट्स अ फीस्ट.
Hey.
इसमें मैं आप लोग को सारे आईज रिवील कर दूंगी एंड बाकी का हंगामा इन द गामा राउंड.
I don't think we've ever talked about this, but हम गामा में क्रॉसवर्ड खेलते हैं.
हाँ.
और वो क्रॉसवर्ड, so basically we are all tired of the crosswords out there on the internet. They are very British or American.
Very lame crosswords.
Like अब नहीं बनता, they make us feel bad कि as if we can't do crosswords.
Yeah.
बहुत high level होती हैं, बहुत British American होती हैं. So this is a very desi,
True.
nice crossword. Like आपको
A beginner friendly crossword.
crossword. Please go buy.
Bye.
ये एक सेकंड, तूने भी आए में ऐसे खुद को करा है. अच्छा, ऐसे कैसे? क्या नाम है तेरा?
ओह अच्छा हाँ.
बनेगा भी नहीं ऐसे
बनने का
तो.
नहीं ना, लेकिन चलो ठीक है,
हाँ.
कोशिश करते हैं गाइस.
मोहित is given this test.
वाओ, डिड यू पास?
अब
हाँ. Yes, surprisingly. मेरे को रीडिंग में और लिसनिंग में तो 9 out of 9 बैंड मिला था.
माय गॉड.
राइटिंग में 8 out of 9 और स्पीकिंग में
स्पीकिंग कम मिला होगा.
7 out of 9.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
है ना
आपको
वो.
रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा
हाँ,
बहुत अच्छा
और वो में
वेरी
ऑन को ऑन करके आगे हो गए बेचारे
कोई तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आई थी।
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
वाह
What a ride.
वाह